Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Money Way, and today in this video we're going to be doing a stock analysis on the Cannabis, an ETF with the ticker symbol THCX. So the Cannabis, if you guys can already tell by the name, it's an ETF that tracks a market cap selected and weighted index of North American cannabis companies. I mean, it feels like every other couple months there's a new state that's actually making weed legal, and I feel like more than half of the United States, you can buy weed just legally with that being introduced with doctors in the medical industry. I mean, doctors are even starting to prescribe weed, which used to be figured as a very illegal drug. You could actually go to jail for a very long time. You still can, except if you have too much than the legal limit, well, then you can go to jail. But if you keep it just to the medical amount, you keep it to a couple grams, I think at the max you can hold is maybe like a couple ounces. It depends on your state, but people just use it for fun, but really what it's for, it's medical use, and it's starting to become very prevalent, especially in the United States. But even some other countries are even starting to make it legal, and some countries already have it legal. I believe in Canada it was legal even before some of the states in the United States actually started to make it legal, as it started to catch on. But anyways, if we look at the cannabis stock, we can see that it went up 25% in the past 3 months. And to be honest, that doesn't really come as a surprise, especially with people having nothing to do. I mean, when you have nothing to do, you can have a lot of time to basically smoke weed. You can go, you can buy weed since you're not really spending a whole lot on gas. You have a little bit of extra money, and what some research has said about these different stores and their revenue increases. Well, people just have some extra, not everyone, but some people, especially weed smokers, they have a lot of extra time, and they have a lot of extra money that they're not spending on their car, whatever it may be. And also they're starting to get that, that unemployment money. And to be honest, people in the United States, I'm not talking about everyone, but there's those groups of people that can't really take care of the money, so they just go and spend it on weed. And obviously that's good for this ETF and the companies that are tracked by this ETF. So it went up 25% in the past 3 months, and it's pretty easy to see why. At one point it was even up 46%. It was probably up a bit more. It's just really weird with how Robinhood tracks. But if we go to the 5-year chart or even the 1-year chart, we can see that it's not doing too good, especially since weed in the last couple years has started to kind of lose traction. Except in the last couple months, we're starting to see increases in revenue. I mean, the stock basically doubled in price from when Corona hit. It was at a bottom of $6.03. And now you can buy at $10.22 with a 52-week high of $24. A long time ago, I believe this was like a full year ago, it was at a high of $23.93. But obviously people are starting to lose sight of what's happening in the legalization and what that's going to bring forth to these different cannabis companies. So if we go ahead and we look at their different holdings that THCX actually has on their website, well, they have a number of very good, high popularity companies that you can actually buy these stocks just regularly. You can search these up. Most of these are on NASDAQ, but others, I believe, like FAFCN, you can't just go on Robinhood, I believe, and just kind of look that up. It doesn't work like that. But anyways, we have Afria, that's on the NASDAQ, Kronos Group, Cannabis, all these ones. Tilray, I believe, is on here, Aurora Cannabis. And they're all, not doing too good in terms of the 1 year and the 5-year chart. But when you zoom in and you look at the month or even the 3 months, we also have Hexacorp, which is another one that's on there. But we can actually see increases in revenue, increases in earnings, and increases in stock price as more people are starting to invest in the future. I mean, it's not just me as a YouTuber, but if you guys go ahead and you look up, should I invest into weed, you can see a number of different options. And one thing that actually is, making this ETF a lot safer than different stocks is the pretty good 13.4% dividend yield. So that means that even if the stock goes down, you're still getting a little bit of money back over time with this dividend yield, which is actually looking kind of juicy. I'm not gonna lie, 13.47%. So let's say you put in, $1,000, you're getting $130 every 3 months for just owning the shares. And with, if you look at the 3-month chart, if it can continue this over time, well, this might make you quite a bit of money. It went up $2 in the past 3 months. So if you had, like $1,000 invested in that, that's about $200 plus another $130 from the dividend yield. So you're making about $340 in just 3 months. And I can 100% for sure say, as of not a financial advice and just my opinion, don't do anything I say in any of my videos, but cannabis is something that we can all easily invest in, especially with these stocks that you can buy easily on Robinhood, E-Trade, whatever it may be. And it's starting to become very, it's not just me saying this. This is a popular opinion. It's starting to become really prevalent and starting to get legalized almost all across the United States. A lot of, it's not, you can easily agree with this, but more and more people are starting to use cannabis throughout the United States. I'm pretty sure we can all agree on that. But anyways, guys, you have the dividend yield, you have an ETF that tracks multiple companies. So just in case one company or 2 companies or even like 10 companies don't do good on this list, there's a lot more than just these. But you can still have a lot of different companies and your shares will still have, a decent price. They can still hold up a price drop from just having one company drop off. But anyways, guys, if you like the content that I bring, go ahead and check out the rest of my channel. I got stock analysis, I got recent news, and go ahead and please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Also, let me know down in the comment section below what you think about investing into cannabis, and especially with the cannabis ETF, ticker symbol THCX. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.